Hi, Larry Stewart here with ForConstructionPros.com. We're at ConExpo ConAg 2020 in the Case booth. Meet Nathaniel Waldschmidt, who is Product Marketing Manager with Case. Notice right. Nathaniel, real different shape on the soil compactors here. What's going on with these new models?
So brand new ground up vehicle design here. This wasn't just treated as an enhancement from a previous model, but rather a ground up redesign. Some quick things that are important to point out on the new SV207E. We actually shortened up the back end, which actually increased rearward visibility. As on when you're operating rollers, you're compacting forward as much as you are compacting in rear. So rear visibility is equally as important.
Sure.
And then moving up into the cab, we actually cleaned up the overall operator station by placing an LCD screen right inside in the steering wheel. So actually increased forward visibility, yeah. and increase operators knowing critical machine.
Yeah, they got access to all the data they need right there in their steering wheel.
Yeah.
What shortening up the rear end? Did you have to move the engine forward?
So the way we were actually able to do that, yes, we moved the engine slightly forward, but then also because we have an independent wheel motor design rather than a full transaxle, our engine can actually sit lower and kind of almost sit between the tires rather on top of the overall axle.
So you get the same stability by lowering the engine that you would by having it further back as a counterweight, I guess.
Correct, yes. Okay. And actually by having it there, it's a lower center of gravity, so we have best-in-class gradability on these machines as well, and that's a way we achieve that.
Oh, right,
yeah.
Okay. Well, I anticipated that question. I'm getting good at this. Any changes in the vibratory system on this machine?
As it pertains to the actual roller itself, actually we decreased the overall diameter of the drum, but we increased the shell thickness. So we actually were able to, again, increase compaction performance while by decreasing the diameter, we're going to again increase the forward visibility, as well as getting into tighter areas and get a tighter turning radius overall.
I see. So will we be seeing this design on other Case rollers?
So this is our smallest roller in our family. So as you get up into our larger, our 11 ton, our 13 ton, because it is overall larger engine, while we do maintain a very steep slope on our hood to maintain that overall rearward visibility, it is a different vehicle, larger frame vehicle design.
Sure.
But we still have that same LCD screen in the steering wheel. So a lot of that same features that we incorporated in the 207 you will see throughout the entire lineup.
And it's interesting to me, the idea of going with a smaller diameter drum, thicker shell. Is that something that's going to happen in larger machines as well?
Yes, that we did take, and we put that on our other two machines as well in the family.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? Any stuff we haven't touched on?
I mean, really, this vehicle design was really all about the operator experience and performance and reducing fatigue. So a bunch of things that we already have hit upon. It was all about the visibility. I guess the only other notable thing to hit out when it comes to visibility and operator performance, it's a totally redesigned cab. So we took the front posts that used to be up to the front corners, and we actually pulled those back, which actually increases your overall peripheral as well. So not only your forward, but your peripheral by reducing that. So
sure. Better
another very notable.
Out to the corners.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Well, it's an interesting design. I appreciate you taking the time to show it to us. Best of luck with the rest of the show.
I appreciate you stopping by.
Thanks, Dan.
All right.